This is a horrible storm and flooding. That's about 3 feet. That has to be 3 feet.
That is 3 feet. That has to be 3 feet down.